Contour lines and well locations are fine for visualizing our reservoir, but if we want to use maps for calculation purposes, we need to convert them to a grid format. This is necessary whether you will just calculate volumetrics or you want to put the data into a simulator. Now that all our basic data is entered, we'll use the map gridding tool to create the grid interpretation for our maps. You may lay your grid out on any map. Usually one map will be best for visualizing where your grid should be placed, maybe the thickness or the porosity map. For this case, the topostructure map will be best as it is the only one for which we have contour lines. On the left, we see the basic tools that will be used in building and working with a grid. The first tool is just used to select objects on the map or when working with the menu items at the top of the screen. The grid tool is used to place the basic grid on the map. The next two tools allow us to move or rotate the grid over the map. Once the grid is on the map, you can use this tool to move individual grid lines within the grid. And this tool will adjust how the fault is handled, and we'll discuss this later. Most of these tools will be demonstrated as we set up the grid for this study.